the richest country on earth, and only 3 out of 10 people are financially okay. Let that sink in. The stock market is at record highs. Billionaires made trillions during the pandemic. GDP keeps climbing. But here's what nobody talks about. A real study. 7,400 households surveyed. The result? Only 31% of Americans are financially healthy. Not rich, not even comfortable, just financially okay. And that number hasn't moved in years. So where is everyone else? 54% are what researchers call financially coping. That means bills are getting paid, barely. One emergency, one hospital visit, one job loss, and everything falls apart. Then there's the bottom 15%, financially vulnerable, behind on bills, drowning in debt, living in survival mode every single day. Add it up, that's 69% of America, nearly 7 out of 10 people, one bad month away from a crisis. Here's what's wild. During COVID, when the government sent out stimulus checks, financial health actually went up from 29% all the way to 34%. People were more stable, more savings, less debt, more breathing room. Then the checks stopped. And guess what happened? The number crashed right back down. That tells you everything. This isn't a personal failure problem. This is a structural problem. When the system supports people, they thrive. When it doesn't, they sink. Every single year, 31 million households, that's a quarter of the country, move between financial tiers. 1 year stable, next year struggling. 1 year climbing, next year falling. It's a financial treadmill, running hard, going nowhere. Rent went up, groceries went up, insurance went up, wages barely moved. And credit card debt in America hit a record high in 2025. People aren't broke because they're irresponsible. People are broke because the math doesn't work anymore. Now let's talk about who's really suffering. Black college graduates, same degree, same effort, only 24% are financially healthy. White college graduates, 54%. Same diploma, completely different financial reality. Women are consistently less financially healthy than men. Young adults, 18 to 35, are getting hit harder every year. And student loan borrowers? The moment federal forbearance ended and repayments kicked back in, credit scores dropped overnight. These aren't lazy people. These are people playing a rigged game and somehow still showing up every day. Okay, here's the one thing that's actually working. People who set up automatic savings transfers, where money moves to savings before they can spend it, are dramatically more financially or more in emergency funds, compared to just 63% of people who save manually. That one small system change makes a massive difference. You don't need discipline. You need automation. Look, I'm not here to scare you, but I need you to understand something. The financial system in America is not broken for everyone. It's working perfectly for the people it was designed for. The top 10% own 67% of all wealth in this country. The bottom 50% own less than 3%. While headlines celebrate the stock market, most Americans don't even have money in the stock market. They're too busy covering rent. So what do you actually do? 1. Start an emergency fund. Even $500 is a start. Not when you have extra money, now, with whatever you have. 2. Automate your savings. Even 3% of your paycheck. Set it, forget it, watch it grow. 3. Check your finances every 3 months, not once a year. People who do this are 2.4 times more likely to be financially healthy. That's not opinion, that's from the research. 4. Stop paying minimum on credit cards. At 20% interest, you are literally paying to stay broke. Attack the highest interest debt first. America is not broke, but most of America is. And the first step to changing that is knowing exactly where you stand. Because you can't fix a problem, follow for more finance truths nobody tells you. Drop a comment. Are you in the 31% or the 69%?